Now, this illustration deals with the depth of the working space in accordance with NEC 110.26A1, Condition 3. Also, the use of Table 110.26A1. Now, notice the worker standing in front of the equipment to the right. Some kind of task is being performed or fixing to be performed, but there's equipment behind her back. Now, Condition 3 kicks in then. And then again, what is the voltage? Well, look in there, say you had 3 foot, that's the minimum for 0 to 150. If you had 277, 480, for example, 4 foot, if the voltage was 601 to 1,000 volts, it'd be 5 foot. Now, notice more clearances basically are required on the original installation using Condition 3 instead of Condition 1 or 2. Now, it's kind of a recap here. Condition 1, there's an insulated wall behind the electrical worker's back. Condition 2, there's a grounded wall behind the electrician's back. Condition 3 now is equipment opposite equipment, and this figure 5-4A is illustrating the depth of the working space when there's equipment opposite equipment.